Hi, I'm Chadwick Redmayne from the regional office. Unfortunately, 40% of you will be laid off as of Monday.
Mr. Redmayne, I don't know who you are, and I want to thank you. I've been trying to reduce our staff costs for months.
Well, that's why they send in Channing Redwick or Chadmayne or...
We could use someone like you around here. Welcome aboard. See you Monday.
Hiring the right person for a job comes with its own complexities. Here are our top 5 tips on hiring the right people. Train your recruiters to look for the skill sets you need. Have a calibration meeting with your recruitment team and make sure to point out specific keywords they'll want to look for on the profiles they're screening.
Shit.
During interviews, it's best to get to know the candidates' personalities to see if they fit in with your company culture.
I feel very blessed.
Aside from technical and role-specific questions, encourage your recruiters to ask personality-related questions that will help them get an idea if the candidate will fit in with the company culture. It also helps give them a preview of whether the new hire will be able to get along with their new team. To further qualify candidates, you can also give them assessments to gauge their skills in action. These tests should directly correlate with the job. For example, a construction estimator should be given a mock project to see if they can get close to the correct estimation. Details such as the items estimated should also be looked at, as the job requires a high level of attention to detail. Have a department head take part in the final interview. No one knows the ideal candidate better than the person who's going to handle them once they get onboarded.
Recruiting.
This is why it's ideal to involve the department head during the final interview.
What could be more important?
They will be able to provide further insights on which candidate fits the role best. Have a proper onboarding procedure. Make sure everything the new employee needs to hit the ground running is ready and available for them even before their joining date. It helps to create supporting documents and an onboarding checklist to ensure the best new hire experience.